Good morning, guys. Guess where we are? We're at McDonald's. We're going on a holiday. We're going on a little trip, and it seems that every time we go on a trip you see us at McDonald's or a pizza place. Well, it's McDonald's now. It's almost lunchtime and we're a bit hungry because today it's winter time, so the clock went back an hour, but we were up very early, so we were up. I never know how that works, but it is almost 12 o'clock. But in our time that we had yesterday, it's almost 1 o'clock, so I'm very hungry. Anyway, there are a lot of people coming in and they're seeing me vlogging. That's really nice. Anyway, we're going to Germany because Jan and I are married 35 years and we wanted to go on a little trip. So we're going to a little place in Germany. Thank you. Dankjewel. Thank you. Lunch has arrived. So anyway, we're going to a little town in Germany. I have no idea if it's nice. It's a little hotel, little family hotel. No idea if it is. I don't know. We just booked it spontaneously and we'll see. So we're almost in Germany. So after this, it's still I think a 3-hour drive. But first, time for lunch. Okay, it's cold outside. Lunch was delicious, and it's time to go to Germany now. Who's driving, you or me? Wat? Wie rijdt er? He just walked off. He walked away. Okay. Well, I can still drive. I only drove for 15 minutes, I think. It's my time to drive. So I can't film going into Germany. You'll just have to believe us. We're going there. Well, I need the keys, darling. I'm gonna drive. So I think we're taking the scenic route. Long live our GPS. It must have been maybe 2 meters shorter, but well, we've been in Altenruten, otherwise we wouldn't have seen this. Okay, well, it is fun. It just takes half an hour longer, but look at this. That's nice. Okay. But look at the first, what were they called? Houses? I looked it up. Well, it is beautiful. Right, Johnny?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Fascinating.
Fascinating. No idea where we are, but fascinating. Oh, but look at that. Ooh, really nice view. Keep your eyes on the road, darling. Over there you can see a road where the cars are driving a bit faster. I think that's the road we should have taken, but then you wouldn't have seen this. So we're here, guys, and it's dry. It was supposed to be raining, but of course it's not raining because we're here. And it's called Landgasthof Gruus. Gruus? I don't know. So let's check out our room. You can sit here if it's really nice weather. Okay. So I think we have room number 5. So look at that. Well, it is somewhere over here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Bathroom. So this is number 12 to 14, but then you have to go up or down, and that's number 11. Okay, they're doing it the wrong way around. First you have 12 to 14, then you have 11, then you have us. Hello. How many stairs are these? Number 5. Okay. We can do this. So this is 11. 11, okay. Okay. 1 through 9. Oh, it's over here. That's simple. Oh my gosh. Ew, it's dark. Oh, look at the old table. Nice. So, number 9. Number 1, typewriter. Number 2, number 3. Number 8, I think it's down the hall. 2, 3, 4. Well, then it must be. It's number 6. There's no number 5.
What did we have? 15.
15?
15.
Look at your key. Is it 15? But still, then there's no number 5. This is 1 through 9.
It's 15. 5, 15.
Okay. Well, this was nice. We don't belong here, but still, where's number 5? Okay. So then, oh, there's number 5. Oh no, wait. We have 15. So we need to go down, I think. Because if that's 5, then that will be 4. I know, that was over there. This is very confusing. I think we need to go down. Number 11. Somewhere over here. Oh, but it looks nice. Okay. So, okay. There are more people lost. Look at this luggage over here. Okay, so then let's go further down. 12 to 14. That's no number 15. Okay. Oh, wait, here. 12 to 14. So 15 must be. This is so weird. Normally you go up. Ah, look. 15. Oh, so we just have to go down one flight of stairs. That's okay. I was afraid I'd have to do this every day. I don't think they have an elevator. Okay. 15. That's us. We have this whole floor to ourselves. Oh no, wait. There's also number 16. This is very confusing. Have you ever had a hotel where you have to go down for the higher numbers? Ooh, look at this. I smell something. I always do. Oh, this is really big. Look at that. It's huge, and I really love all the art on the wall. Yeah, wait, over there. So there's a little seat where we can play dobbelen, dice, or whatever it's called. We have a TV and some artwork. And look at this, Johnny. If there is sun, and if it isn't -20, you can sit outside. Oh, but you can also see the neighbors. That's number 16, I think. So we need to keep these curtains closed. Oh, that's a nice view. Okay. What do you think?
It's very nice.
Yes. I'm still so confused. And here me again.
Clean.
It's very clean. There's a wardrobe over here. Whoa, you need to open this door first. Well, interesting, really interesting. And they know us. So this is for my coat, and that's for Jan. Let's see the bathroom. Ooh, oh, this is clean and nice. And you see me everywhere. And there are no hairs over there. Now, you know, we're used to the UK. Where was it? I don't even know. Where was that? So when we were near Brighton, it wasn't as clean as this. But this looks really nice. And they have a hairdryer. Ton, 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 ton. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I can live here for a few days. Nice. So Jan, when you get the stuff, don't go upstairs. We have 15. That's all the way down. Does it explain over there?
You get a €50 fine if you let your dog lay on the bed.
So you'll sleep on the couch?
Yep.
Look at this, we've got a tricycle. You're going the wrong way. See ya, I hope, if I have to see you in half an hour, I'll come looking for you. Okay, well that was very confusing. I've never seen that. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you ever go to a hotel where number 1 is all the way on top and number 15 is all the way on ground level? It's insane. But it was fun. We've seen the whole hotel, that's true. Except for the top floor, but still. But this is really nice. Now, hotels always have a smell. I don't mean a from the smell, but I mean it smells lovely. But I don't like smells like that. So will it be this? Did I already sniff this? No, it's just decorative and gorgeous. I don't know. Maybe they just use cleaning supplies with a lot of smell. Oh well, I'll just open the doors for a while and I'll get used to it. We're in Germany. We're in Germany. So Jan is gonna get the stuff and I'm gonna text the kids that we arrived safely. And dinner is at 6:30 sharp. They asked us to be there at 6:30 sharp. So, okay. So I think we have to eat whatever they're serving. I hope it's schnitzel. We'll find out, guys. This is a very cheap stay. I'm not sure if I told you. This was just... There's a mosquito. I'll bring back a souvenir, that's for sure. Mosquito bite. Anyway, I normally don't say what a price is for a hotel, but this was just for 4 nights, 4 times breakfast, 4 times dinner, 7:30 sharp, 6:30 sharp, for just 200 euros for 2 persons. That's not possible, so I think that's why we need to eat whatever they serve us. And I still hope it's schnitzel. Okay, I'm gonna catch some mosquitoes. I see a lot of them. Yippee. But still, yay! So, time for tea. Look at this, this is cozy. That's so cozy. And there are real fake flowers. They're cute. Oh, I already have tea. Wait, it's getting to be coffee. Jan, could you get my teacup? Jan, Hilfe.
Oh.
Kan je het theekopje even weghalen?
Ja. Wat heb ik gedaan?
Yeah. So I do like my tea very
Not strong.
not strong. So this is actually too strong already. But that's coffee milk. Oh, it's very British. And we do have a little biscuit. And they do have an ijskarte. So what did you just suggest? This is apple pie with ice cream.
For dinner. This for dinner.
Or lunch.
Or lunch, I mean lunch. Yeah. This tomorrow for lunch.
Okay.
And then this weiße Schokoladenbecher. This is chocolate ice cream with whipped cream.
Yeah.
As a dessert.
A dessert. Wait, so this is lunch? And this is lunch dessert?
Yes. It's
And
healthy.
it's healthy. It's got apple in it. Yeah, it's healthy.
Yeah.
So tomorrow for breakfast, just an appetizer. We'll have this one. Cheers, darling. It's too hot for me. What do we do?
I'm too hot for you.
You're too hot for me, darling. Okay, I'll just turn it off then. So we're checking out if there's something to do over here. We've got horror stories. Well, it's almost Halloween, so time for dinner, guys, and we asked for a Cola Zero, and we got this. I've never seen this before. Afri Cola. Ohne Zucker. So without sugar. Hey, I heard a plane. So this is a very great hotel. The only thing is they don't have internet. But now I just heard a plane. Oh, my kids are texting me. Yes. Wait, I'll just talk with my kids for a while. Okay, that was very short-lived because we just sent one text and now I have no internet. Okay. Anyway, this is a Diet Coke, but a brand I've never heard. Do you think it just tastes just like Cola Zero?
Yeah, it does.
And now we have tomato soup. So let's try it. So I already finished my soup, but Jan is still eating.
No. I'm finishing yours.
Okay. It is delicious soup, guys, but it's just a bit too spicy for me, so my face was turning red and even more red, and well, when it was purple I just stopped eating. Other than that, it was delicious. Dinner has arrived. Lekker?
Tasty, yes.
Very tasty.